You think you can fix the world? You can't.
Yeah, this the part where I took the fuck out.
I can't.
And now, everyone finally sees you for what you really are.
They do.
And the whole moon is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand.
So basically embracing your flaws.
I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side.
Crying again.
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the dark inside my heart? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like.
Man, I fucking love this shit.
We're shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were
Making the light back up in them.
So we're not heroes. We're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired. But dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side.
That shit came back. Oh.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.
Man, this shit made me This shit hit different, man. Like, I'm fucking crying, bro.
You crying?
Shut the hell up. I was gonna cry the first time I watched it too, but I had to act up. But watch it with your hands, I know you gonna make me fucking cry too. Oh my god, bro. Oh. Got over his debts way too fast. I'm here, bro. She just went by her business like, man, that my nigga just died, bro. They don't kill my nigga, bro. They don't kill my nigga, bro. Oh my god, bro. And apparently there's gonna be a part 2.
For what?
He better come back. Come on back. I don't know how true that is, but apparently there's gonna be a part 2.